Hi, Owen. What you doing, big guy? Can you laugh? Can we tickle, 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 tickle? Can we tickle, 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 tickle? No, you don't want to tickle? Owen. What's this? Is that yummy? Yummy. Yummy. Yay for baby Owen. Yummy.
Mom, that thing just scared me.
Are you okay?
Yeah, the toy just scared me.
Car scared you?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Are you okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
The toy scared me again.
Okay, I don't think the car's coming over here. The car's over there in the street.
But cross the road, but it scared me.
Okay. I think it's okay.
No.
Owen.
I hear the noise. I hear the noise.
Owen.
I'm scared. Don't see me. No.
Hi, Owen. Hi, baby O. Owen, Bowen. You. Oh. Ma. Sunshine. Hi, big boy. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Can you clap your hands? Yay for baby Owen. Clap. Yay for baby Owen. Yeah. Yay for baby Owen. Yeah. Yay. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, baby Owen. Bye-bye.
For ice cream.
It sure is.
Yeah.
Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Okay.
Bye-bye.